This is London with Bitcoin Spike VIP Trader. Hit the like button. We went green today for a 6+% move on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the details. We're going to talk about the green, condition green I threw into the back for the VIP. Bravo. Congratulations to the VIP #1 trade group. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We trade crypto. Guys, in terms of the details, let's dig into them. In terms of the pattern structure, also I want to talk about beforehand, why don't we talk about some of the returns? Why don't I bring up a few of those for the VIP, because it was a nice day with that green condition. And hey, why don't we talk about the pattern in play as well? Definitely want to show you the pattern that I went green on. Take a look at this, at the level of support. Beautiful entry, 6.59%. Let's watch that one more time. We call these bells descending level of resistance, descending support, and boom, they like to rock to the upside. It's why we focus on them. London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. You understand how that works. Always go to your broker if you want some financial advice. Now, in terms of the returns, big returns in VIP, we have Venus on Solana, 236%. Nice trade, Venus. Very nicely done. We also have another trade from Venus, 343%. So we have a 250, a 350. Very nicely done, Venus. Very impressive. And we're going to go to Liam from Scotland, big time trading right now. 1,101%. Way to trade, Liam. That's my man. Way to go. 120% as well. JMac has a trade tucked up in the DM a little bit further up. We won't scroll back and see it. Way to trade, JMac. Way to go. And we have to say that Chris, my man, I want to shout out to you specifically and just congratulate you. I think at 25K Australian dollars yesterday in terms of the returns. Beautifully well done. Way to go, Chris. I appreciate the charts in the back. Nice interacting with you. Absolutely VIP. You all know that all the way. Now let's dig into the details that we would be looking at. I have, as I like to say, the biggest threat to freedom for the bulls to move up to the upside. You guys saw that nice pattern that we caught. But in terms of that biggest threat to freedom, let's go ahead and stretch this on over here in terms of the entirety of the chart. Now, first of all, we need to recognize something on the macro here. I want to design this out for you just a touch. The fact that we haven't been this overbought in the market since 65,000. Since 65,000, pay attention. In October 2021, we were this overbought. Okay, we're that overbought now on the RSI on the daily. So pay attention, guys, pay attention. We're overbought right now. Bears are looking at that fact. In addition, they're considering the fact we just broke out of this specific pattern I brought to you yesterday, that descending wedge. Now, I want to run through our QKD, our specific fire and ice indicator. I'm going to tell you 3 levels where we can say from a calculated standpoint, sellers are engaging, shorts are engaging. Bottom line. First of all, you know we're going to dig into the micro. Guys, it dictates the macro. You know that. But in terms of the daily, I want to bring up 2 points. As I have been talking about the Bollinger Bands, you know, our specific indicator for exclusive, I say exclusively for VIP. The cross over the 20 moving average, look at this, the cross over the 20 moving average was 16,700. Look at that, that's a nice 13-14% move since that specific point. Very nicely done. What I'm gonna say though is the following, and I want to, I'll spread this out a bit. I can actually bring this up onto screen so you can see. Where's our screen capture? There we go. Let's take a look at this so you guys can see exactly what I am looking at. Specifically, I'm interested in the levels that are being recognized and calculated for entry into a short. Right now, we are at a pro short level. Let's go ahead and look at this. A pro short level, which is incidentally, and you'll find this on our indicator. Pay attention. If you'll go in and if you will establish a parallel channel, please do this, guys. If you'll establish a parallel channel, and pay attention. This is a very, very good move for you guys to replicate on your desktop so you'll understand price action and where we are right now. I'll take a moment with this to make sure that you can exactly get what is being looked at here. Level of support, 2 pivots. Pivot 1, pivot 2. I want you to take a parallel channel. I want you to draw it up. Boom, okay? That specific level right here that we have hit and contacted is right in line exactly with the specific pro upper line on our fire and ice indicator. You understand our fire and ice indicator is a highly calculative indicator without a doubt, and it's calculated to catch trend lines. So that's a level of resistance across the top where the market is currently looking at involvement. So yes, shorts are engaging now at that level. They've already paid to some extent at that level. The next level up on the daily, the macro that we would be looking at, I want you all to consider the $21,000 zone. Thereafter, that would be our golden short line. Thereafter, the $25,000 zone on a calculated basis. This is a kernel calculation. In terms of those regressions, advanced near machine learning levels of calculation, okay? So the 21,000 is another level of engagement. There's a strong support line, I'd say prior trend line at that 21,000. The 25,000, boom, is gonna be that next level up. So we're really at that 1, 2, 3 hurdle. If you're a bull and you wanna push up, those are your key figures to beat in this market, including where you're currently at right now. So in terms of that green condition, congratulations to the VIP. I'm excited about trading with you. I traded today. It wasn't easy. I didn't expect it to be. And when the market throws at me, I like to bam, just knock it out, guys. I really love to trade. I know you do too. If you want to beat the market this year, make sure you join the #1 trade group. And you can do that from a desktop computer. This is London with VIP Trader and Bitcoin Spike. Take care of yourself. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.